Add a document to your iPhone or iPad home screen. First, open the Shortcuts application on the device. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Open File and tap on the result. You will see Open File with blank screen displayed. Tap on the file icon next to Open. A list of available PDFs and documents will appear. Choose the one you want to add to your home screen. Now tap Default App to select where the document opens. For this example, select Files. At the top of the screen, tap on Open File. A menu will appear. Select Rename. Enter a name for your shortcut, for example, iOS, and tap Done on the keyboard. Tap on the name again to bring up more options. Select Add to Home Screen. A preview of the shortcut icon will appear. Tap the color to reveal an emoji related to the document. In the top right corner, tap Add. The shortcut will now appear on your home screen for quick access, and that's it.